Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. The flowers smell fragrant. The flowers smell fragrant. I meet friends for coffee. I meet friends for coffee. She practice yoga. She practice yoga. They attend concerts. They attend concerts. We go for a bike ride. We go for a bike ride. He takes care of his plant. He takes care of his plant. The birds build a nest. The birds build a nest. I watch movie at the cinema. I watch movie at the cinema. She volunteers at the local shelter. She volunteers at the local shelter. The leaves rustle in the breeze. The leaves rustle in the breeze. We watch the sunset. We watch the sunset. The thunder rumbles. The thunder rumbles. I exercise at the gym. I exercise at the gym. She designs website. She designs website. They have dinner at a restaurant. They have dinner at a restaurant. We go camping in the mountain. We go camping in the mountain. He fixes broken appliances. He fixes broken appliances. The moonlight shines through the window. The moonlight shines through the window.